Hello friends, welcome to Anything Top. In this video, we will compare two popular developed countries, United States and Russia. We are going to compare the differences based on factors such as location, capital, population, area, languages, religions, currency, literacy rate, life expectancy, GDP and many more. So keep watching Anything Top. The United States of America, commonly known as United States or America, is an country mostly located in the central North America between Canada and Mexico. It consists of 50 states, a federal district, 5 major self-governing territories and various possessions. A highly developed country, the United States is the world's largest economy and accounts for approximately a quarter of global gross domestic product. The United States is the world's largest importer and the second largest exporter of goods by value. Russia or the Russian Federation is the transcontinental country located in the Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. It is the largest country in the world by area, spanning more than 1/8 of the Earth's inhabited land area, touching 11 time zones and bordering 16 sovereign nations. Russia is the most populous nation in Europe and the 9th most populous nation in the world. Talking about capitals, the capital of United States is Washington DC. The population of Washington DC is around 5.3 million, whereas the capital of Russia is Moscow. The population of Moscow is around 12.5 million. Population of United States is 331 million and is ranked 3rd in the world based on population. On the other hand, the population of Russia is around 146 million and is ranked 9th in the world based on population rankings. Talking about area, the total area of United States is 9.8 million square kilometers and is the 3rd largest country by area. The total area of Russia is 17 million square kilometers and is ranked 1st based on the total area in the world. The main languages in United States are English and Spanish. In Russia, the most widely spoken language and the only official language at the national level is Russian. There are 35 different languages which are also considered as the official languages in various regions of Russia along with Russian. Also, there are over 100 minority languages spoken in Russia. Christianity is the largest religion in United States, with the various Protestant churches having the most adherents. In 2019, Christians represent 65% of the total population, 43% identifying as Protestant, 20% as Catholics and 2% as Mormons, followed by Islam, Buddhism and Hinduism with 1% each. Religion in Russia is diverse with Christianity, especially Russian Orthodoxy being the most widely professed faith, but with the significant minorities of the non-religious people and adherents of the other faiths. Currency of United States is United States dollar, while in Russia, the currency is Russian ruble. 1 United States dollar is equal to around 73.5 Russian ruble. The literacy rate in United States is 86%. On the other hand, the literacy rate in Russia is 99.7%. Life expectancy in United States is 79 years, while in Russia, it is 72.5 years. Nominal GDP of United States is $22.3 trillion and is ranked 1st in the world. GDP per capita is $67,426 US. The nominal GDP of Russia is $1.65 trillion and is ranked 11th in the world. GDP per capita in Russia is $30,800 US. The largest city in United States is New York and the largest city in Russia is Moscow. Some of the major attractions in United States are Grand Canyon, Niagara Falls, Statue of Liberty and White House. While the main tourist attractions in Russia are St. Basil's Cathedral, Hermitage Museum, Lake Baikal, Moscow City and many more. So those were some of the main differences between United States and Russia. Hope you liked the video. If you find the video interesting, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to Anything Top for upcoming interesting stuff. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.